Hello everyone, Angela here again, and today we are going to learn how to tackle unknown words during the listening comprehension test without letting it shake our confidence. Coming across new words is an essential part of the learning process, and the trick here is to keep our cool and to use context to our advantage. Let's go to have a look at some effective strategies when we actually meet some unknown words during the listening exercise. The first thing is that context is your friend. So when a word is unfamiliar, look around it. The sentences before and after this unknown word often give away its meaning. For instance, for example, emissions must be related to climate change and to reducing if they are in the same sentence. Number two is to use the keywords and synonyms, because a tough word sometimes is explained by an easier word nearby. For example, we might not know the word insolvency, but bankruptcy gives you some clues about it. Then you know that it's about money troubles. Tip number 3 is, of course, to keep on moving. We have already talked about this in previous videos, so don't get stuck by a single word and miss the rest, because that is the main danger that we have here. Make a mental note of the word that you have not understood and move on, because you can piece everything together afterwards from the big picture when we have the entire text. The next tip is no new tip either, is to stay zen, is to stay calm, is to stay relaxed here. If you're feeling anxious, breathe deeply. You already remember the 4x4 exercise, because it is perfectly okay not to know every word, but with these tips you will certainly succeed in the listening examination. So keep calm, breathe, relax. Number 5 is no new one either, is to make practice a habit. Regularly engage with new texts and listen to fresh audios, to news, to podcasts, to whatever. Challenge yourself to guess the meaning of new words from the context and write down or jot down the ones that you don't know for review later on. So if you put all these tips into practice, I am more than confident that you will have no trouble succeeding in your listening comprehension examination. You already know the drill here. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, please let them here in the in the comment section, of course. And if you would like to keep on training, check my book and check please the other links that I got in the description. Have a nice evening, enjoy your learning, and keep on prepping. Ciao.